Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at BAILEYMStewart. And today's video is going to be a glute focused workout. So how to grow your glutes and not your legs. Now the first 2 years probably that I started weightlifting, I was only doing like exercises that targeted mostly the glutes just because I was terrified to grow my quads. And I know a lot of people still don't want to grow their quads. I personally have gone out of that way of thinking. I want huge quads, I want big thighs, so I do try and have days where I focus mainly on quads. But I wanted to film this video because I know a lot of people like the look of big glutes, smaller thighs, so I wanted to show you guys kind of like my workouts that I did a long time ago when I literally only do glute based stuff. So I'm going to take you to the gym with me, show you the movements. So if you want to see that, then I guess just keep watching.
How long have you been working out?
Before we get into the video, I want to talk about the sponsor. So the sponsor of today's video is QUADS Nutrition. I am someone who suffers with really bad OCD and anxiety, and CBD is a product that helps relieve the anxiety. So to find an energy drink and a company that helps with that is so amazing and very on brand for me. I wanted to talk about their new energy drink. So I'm not a big pre-workout girl. My brother had really bad side effects with it, so ever since then I've just like never taken it. This is CBD, mushrooms, and vitamin D. So you're getting that energy without the caffeine and the bad side effects that pre-workout can give you. 5 calories, THC free. It's a mushroom charged CBD enhanced nootropic designed to replace caffeine, so you can tackle your day with clear-headed euphoric energy. You can use my code BAILES, and I'll have the link in the description box as well. So ever since I tried these, I've been using these kind of as like, if I feel stressed and need some energy, like later on in the day, I'll take these because they don't have caffeine. And I also take them before my workout because sometimes I get anxiety before like going to the gym. So this just not only gives me energy but helps calm me down. So I really like taking this as my pre-workout. Also got this raw CBN. So it's like a nighttime hemp oil, and you take it 30 minutes before bed. It's 15 mg CBD per serving. Helps calm me at night so I can sleep without that anxiety that I get. And then I got the Zen Relaxation and Sleep, but these are pills, so they have it in pill form. It's been really beneficial because like lately my sleep is just like, my brain will not shut off, and I just like feel like I'm having a panic attack in the middle of the night. And so this one is Rise Focus and Clarity Cured Pills. So just kind of like pills to give you energy and a clear mind for the day. Benefits are clear-headed euphoric energy, like I said, mood enhancement, beat the afternoon slump, so it gives you that energy that you need without the caffeine, so it won't keep you up. Nootropics, I'm not really sure if I'm saying that right, but it's to improve cognitive performance. And then the CBD for natural stress reduction, which I need. And then adaptogens for a wakeful relaxation. Again, this is launching October 11th, so make sure you use my code and the link and get you some, especially if you struggle with anxiety like I do, or just don't like the side effects and the ingredients in pre-workout but want something to give you that energy for a leg day. Definitely check out QUADS Nutrition. I'll have all their info linked down below. But yeah, check them out. Let's get on with the workout. Okay, so first I'm going to be doing a warm-up just to kind of activate the glutes. So I'm going to be using a resistance band, and I'm going to start off with resistance band fire hydrants. I'm going to be doing 3 movements and 2 sets of 15 reps for each, and no pause in between. I love doing fire hydrants just because they really target the side glutes and kind of give the illusion of wider hips. And then next we're going to be doing resistance band squats. Again, 2 sets of 15 reps. And then we're going to be doing resistance band standing donkey kickbacks. So for these, make sure your back is not arched, and I find that kind of not hunching over but leaning forward helps activate my glutes better. Okay, so now we're going to be doing hip thrusts. I'm doing 4 sets starting with 12 reps, 10 reps, 8 reps, and 6, and I'm going up in weight for every set. Now hip thrusts are literally the best movement to grow your glutes, so this is what I focused on the most. I still do. Okay, so form for hip thrusts, you want to make sure your chin is tucked and that you have a posterior pelvic tilt. And then I'm going to superset a normal hip thrust with a B stance hip thrust. So again, same amount of sets and reps. So B stance, you're going to have the working leg in the normal hip thrust position, 90 degree, and you're going to be driving through the heel. And the resting leg is going to be slightly extended. I have scoliosis, so this movement has been a staple with trying to help fix my glute imbalance. Alright, now we're going to be doing some dumbbell RDLs for 4 sets of 12 reps. Pick your weight, don't go based off of what I'm using, do something that you're comfortable with. So for RDLs, you want to have knees slightly bent and make sure you're hip hinging, so kind of imagine a rope pulling your hips back. Okay, so now I'm going to superset RDLs with hip thrusts, but it's going to be a different variation, so we're going to be doing frog pumps. So for this, you want to have your the soles of your feet together, literally exactly how it sounds. This is a frog pump. Shout out to Brett Contreras for teaching me these. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing glute bridges using the Bo+tee ball, 4 sets of 10 reps. So I like to put my shoulders resting on the Bo+tee ball and then chin tucked. Alright, now we're going to be doing Bulgarian split squats. So I like to do these or different variations of like lunges just to really target the glutes. And I'm going to be doing these for 3 sets of 10 reps. And then I'm going to superset that with kneeling squats. Again, 3 sets of 10 reps. So for these, it's basically similar to a squat. You want to make sure your spine is neutral and pushing out. Okay, so next we're gonna do our finishers. We're gonna end off the workout. I really like to do accessory movements at the end of my workout and just do lower weight, higher reps. So we're gonna be using the cable machine, and I have my little ankle attachment. I'll have that link down below. So we're gonna be doing cable machine donkey kickbacks, 2 sets of 20 reps. Now we're going to be doing cable machine side leg raise, 2 times 20 reps. So 2 sets of 20 reps. Again, I love this movement for targeting the side glutes and giving that illusion of wider hips, because from the front I'm kind of shaped like a boy, so. Alright, now we're going to be doing cable machine side lunges for 2 sets of 20 reps. Again, these are really good for the side glutes as well, and just a really good way to finish the workout and have your legs shaking. Alright guys, so that is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.